So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Koshti. Now today's we get the information about SCPM. In this video we talk about first, what is SCPM client, second, what is it for, third, how to fix SCPM client keeps stopping problem, and in last we see how to disable or enable SCPM client. So first we talk about what is this SCPM client. So basically SCPM client is a Samsung system app. That means yes, you guess right, this is only for Samsung phones. SCPM client is a Samsung system app that is related to another system app. Now let's talk what is the meaning of this SCPM. So SCPM stand for a Smart Certified Project Manager. It is an Android system app developed by the Samsung. So System Certified Project Manager, and this client operate hand to hand with a smart manager which optimize the power usage of your devices. So now let's talk what is SPCM client for. So SPCM client is a change of enforce, so device power administration policies. That is why we previously said that related to the smart manager. This is a built-in app and it is really helpful because it keep update on the power saving database in the order to have a better optimization of your app's daily uses. So let's clear some small doubt, that is SCPM safe? As mentioned before, it is a system app by the Samsung, so it is perfectly safe and does not cause any issues for most people. But online say that sometime they say that it is a spyware, but actually it is system app, so don't worry. Now let's move the third point, that is how to fix SCPM client keeps stopping problem. So they have a various method, so we check the 4 methods. The first thing you should do is restarting your device. To restart your Android device, press the power button and restart your phone. Second thing, reset app preference. What you need to do, just go to the settings, searching app, going to the manager app. Here you see the option that is reset app preference. Just click here and you see your problem will solve. Now the third method is uninstall Android system web view. So what you need to do, just go to the Play Store, search web view. If it is already installed, so just uninstall it. If it is not installed, so just install first and then uninstall. So in my case I give the update option, so I am just clicking update and that's it, my problem will solve. And the last and the complicated method is factory reset, but this method was a little bit complicated because you need to have your backup, and we already make one video that is how to make your backup of SMS and calls. So you just check this video and make your backup first of your all mobile datas, and then you follow this step to reset your phone. So what you need to do, just go to the settings and then find factory reset. Just search it and you find the option. Here you see the option that is erase all the data, but it is a very last step. Okay, first you need to back up your all the contacts, accounts, photos, videos, app. Okay, you need to first take your backup and then you follow this step. After this step you see that your problem will solve. So here we see all the methods of how to fix SCPM client keeps stopping problem. Now in next method we learn so how to check your SCPM app and how to disable or enable this SPCM app. What you need to do, just go to the settings and in search bar you find apps, go to the applications and here you click manage apps, and in the search panel just type SCPM. As you see, I find this application, just click here and in the bottom side you find option, that is uninstall, or sometime it's give disable, and just click uninstall and you see your application was totally uninstalled. But sometimes they don't give this option, so you just disable this application, your work was done. But if you want to install this application, so what you need to do? So don't worry, here you got a solution. Just open any browser you use and just type SCPM APK, and here you got all the list of applications. So I'm clicking any one of the link, so I'm just clicking this link, and here you got the application link, that is SCPM Client 3.1.01. Just scroll down and here you find all the versions of application, that is this application for Android 5. Just click here, and yeah, you again install or enable this application in your phone. So this is the simple method how to disable or enable this SCPM client in your Samsung phone. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give the big thumbs up if you like this video. Please share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to check out our Gossipfunda YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this.